Well, happy Saturday, everyone, from the Spencer homestead. We got about, I would say a good foot of snow last night. It is pretty, but I'm through with winter. I was through after Christmas, and it's so hard to do the chickens in this weather. And it's hard on them too, you know. They aren't getting out like they were, because I keep them cooped up. I mean, I'm not going to let them loose in this weather. So, hi, how are you doing, girl? How are you? So, yeah. So this is what we're doing. Hi, Tammy Wyandotte. How you doing, Midnight? And that one is Bella, Gladys, and everyone knows the famous Fred, our backyard mix. He's a bantam, and he's good so far, thankfully. And Bernice, I couldn't think of her name for a minute there. So that's who we have in here. Oh, and there's Vanessa. Vanessa knows everything, watches everything, and is included in everything. So, yes. How are you today, Bella? You doing well? Oh, there's the world famous Chick-fil-A. So I just wanted to pop in and say hi to you guys. Winter's going out like a lion, that's for sure, as it usually does up here in the Adirondacks. I mean, it's ridiculous sometimes. So I'm having a problem with one of my girls in this fancy coop, and I don't know if anybody can help me, but it's my Satin, and where is she? Down here. Let me get this door open. Winter probs. So anyways, it's my Satin. She has been broody for over a month. I get her up 1 or 2 times a day. Cartman, get away from her. Get away from her. I get her up 1 or 2 times a day to make sure that she's eating and drinking. And she just acts like she's... Wow, that was some snow. She just acts like she's so, like, squatty and doesn't want to do anything. I've seen her eating and drinking, and I know she's broody, but she just seems, I don't know, so floppy. So if anybody has any ideas for me, I mean, she's not even walking right because she just lays there unless I get her up. So, anybody has any ideas for me, I would appreciate it. It seems like she's been broody for so damn long, you know, and seems like she should be coming out of it. I'm gonna bring you around the back and show you my white silkies that we moved down here 2 days ago. I'm so pleased. It's warm out. There's a lot of snow, but it's warm out. And so pleased that we moved them down here. Left this back door open for them for a little fresh air because it gets so dusty in there. But yeah, they seem to be doing good. Nobody's tried to get in there, and they haven't tried to get out. I don't know. Don't ask me. So, hi, Frida. Frida looks like she's going through a little bit of a molt. Look at her tail. I don't know. With these birds. Hi, girls. Daphne and Annie. Yeah, if anybody has any ideas for Blueberry, my Satin, I mean, I've been giving her like extra protein. I've been making sure she gets out 2-3 times a day to get stuff to eat and drink. And so I'm hoping that she's okay, but I mean, there's not really too much else I can do. I could give her some vitamins and see. Brenda has been broody with her, so hi, girls. Hi, Brenda. So I don't know. I'm hoping for the best because I really love my birds, but like I said, there's not much I can do besides what I'm doing. Brenda, you gonna be okay? Oh, broody girls are so ridiculous. And then this one, he's all randy. All right, everyone. If you like my channel, please subscribe, share with your friends, tell them about us. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great weekend. Leave me some comments, some ideas. Thanks. Bye.